Happy fall, praisers and savers. I'm enjoying this weather today. I got my little Sherpa hoodie on. It's 59 degrees here in South Carolina. I can see a beautiful fall tree out my window. So we're going to get in here and enjoy some of these fall savings today. Get it? Fall savings anyways. Okay, so this video is going to be a heavy IBOTTA video. I need to get 9 offers in order to get my weekend warrior bonus. So I will be doing that today in this video. If you are not part of any of those rebate apps like IBOTTA, Shopkick, Fetch, Checkout 51, or Swagbucks, please look in my description box below and check out my referral code. I get a kickback and you get a kickback as well. Also, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell to all so you know when all of my deals are coming out. So I'm just not going to waste any time this morning. Let's get into Walmart. I'm going to try to get those 9 items for that weekend warrior bonus. Let's go. The first thing I'm getting is not an IBOTTA deal. I thought it was going to be a lot of IBOTTA deals, but this one is a Swagbucks and a Checkout 51 deal. These Arm & Hammer 5 and 124 counts are going to be just $1.30 after we're done. So you're going to pick up 2 of these at $5.60, making that $11.20. And then you'll submit to Checkout 51 for $1.30 for each. And then at Swagbucks for 600 Swagbucks or $6, our total after everything is going to be $2.60 or $1.30 each. Got a moneymaker on this Wick Scented Warmer, and this moneymaker is going to pay for other items that we're getting today. Now on IBOTTA, we are submitting each of these for $1.75. So it's $1.47 originally, but submitting it for $1.75, making it a moneymaker. On IBOTTA, we can do this deal up to 5 times, so that's a moneymaker for all of those. Excuse me. So let me move out the way. All right, so I had to move out the way for a moment. Now these are $1.47 each. Total for 5 of them are going to be $7.35, and when we submit to IBOTTA, we can submit for all 5 of those. So that total of after $1.75 times 5 is $8.75. Then that's going to give us $1.40 moneymaker on these. So $1.40 moneymaker. The next thing we're getting is this Pop Secret movie theater butter popcorn. This is the 3 bags. This is the smallest one they have in my store. These are $2.28. We have a 75-cent on IBOTTA, and we can do this deal up to 5 times if we want to, but it'll bring it down to $1.53 after our 75-cent IBOTTA rebate. Got a total moneymaker on this Pepsi 2-liter Zero Sugar. These are $1.48. We have an IBOTTA rebate that can only be done 1 time for $1.98. So that makes that a 50-cent moneymaker. So super excited about an awesome moneymaker on this Pepsi Zero Sugar. So just checking my clearance aisle, and you guys know I'm all about being practical and buying things for my family that we actually use. This is my kids' favorite rice, okay? This yellow rice, and we eat a lot of rice, and they're only 50 cents per bag. Wow. So if I were to buy that entire box right there, because there's 12 in there, that would be $6. And those are usually like $2 or $3 a bag when we buy them at the store. So I think my kids will be happy that we're stocking them up with some yellow rice today for 50 cents per bag. Always, always, always check your clearance section. This is a repeat deal back in our IBOTTA gallery. These are $4.97. There's a $1 hang tag on these, making these just $3.97. And then we have a $2 IBOTTA rebate, bringing these down to just $1.97. So I'm going to pick this up again. Guys, now I'm in the other clearance section. This is the one that's by like all the toiletries and everything, and they actually have my favorite physician's formula here, and this is usually like $15 to $18 at CVS when I buy it. And so I'm going to see if they have the ones I like. That one looks like my color. It's like $3. I did scan it in the app, but there's nothing attaching to that. I always scan everything because you just never know. But that's my color that I usually buy, and you just spend like $15. So that's a really great deal on the physician's formula. All right, got a deal on this Listerine mouthwash. We usually don't get a lot of deals on Listerine products, so this is pretty exciting to have this. These are $3.87. We actually have this dollar off coupon on any Listerine product that I got from coupons.com. So make sure you either print it off or check the coupons.com app in the store. That brings us down to $2.87 after our coupon. Then we'll submit to IBOTTA for a $1 rebate, making these just $1.87 with the coupon and the $1 rebate from IBOTTA. So last time I did this deal on the Oikos yogurt, I got a really great deal on this because there was a 50-cent hang tag on the yogurt. Now these don't have it, but that's okay. I'm still going to get this deal anyways. These are $1.06 each. We have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate that's back in the gallery, and you can do this up to 5 times. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up all 5. But after the 50-cent rebate, our total is going to be 56 cents per container of yogurt. So that is a great deal for yogurt, even if you don't have that 50-cent off coupon. So 50 cents off on 5 if you want to do a limit of 5. Next deal we're getting is on this Quip, and we can do this deal up to 5 times on Ibotta. These are $1.26, and these are actually in my freezer section, not in my dairy section. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up one of these Quips at $1.26. We're going to submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back. When we do, we're just going to pay 51 cents. So pretty great deal on Quip, and if you need a lot for the holidays, you can go ahead and stock up for this and put it away. So 51 cents each. I'm finally getting my free Thanksgiving turkey that I got from Ibotta for getting a friend to sign up for Ibotta. So very excited about this. These are a $15 refund on the Thanksgiving turkey. So it's a lot better deal than last year. I think last year we just got like the small breast. And so $15 off. I'm actually getting this one. It's $14.64. And that's 15 pounds almost. So that's a great deal. And then 88 cents on turkey. If we don't use it for Thanksgiving, I'll save it for Christmas. But yeah, free turkey going in the cart. Another easy Ibotta rebate you can do is on this Wonder Bread rolls. They're $2.58. Submit to Ibotta at 75 cents, making these just $1.83. We just got back from Walmart, and I realized when I got home today that the turkey was not only free because of Ibotta, but it was also a 50-cent moneymaker. Go and check out 51 and get that 50-cent moneymaker on that. So we've got a moneymaker on the turkey. We've got a moneymaker on the Pepsi Zero Sugar. We have a moneymaker on all 5 of those Wick warmers. And so those moneymakers help to pay for other things that we have in our haul. I also had 2 clearance finds. It was the Physicians Formula makeup. Usually like $15. I got them for $3. And the yellow rice are like $2 or $3 according to the size. But these are actually the big family sizes. I got them for 50 cents. And I went ahead and bought 2 big boxes of that. So I was able to get each box for $6 or $12 for both boxes. So that was pretty exciting on that. So I think that's about it, guys. Check your store. Make sure you don't have any coupon tags on the yogurt because you may have that in your store. And I think that's about it. All right, we'll see you next time.